Here's how to make game capture full screen in OBS. Go to your OBS and under sources, click on this plus icon. And here, click on game capture. And here, click on OK. And click on this mode drop down. Here, select capture specific window. Then click on this window drop down. And make sure your game is running on your computer. Now, all you have to need, select here the game you want to capture full screen and click on OK. Now right click on your game, hover over on transform and click on fit to screen. After that, if you see these black bars showing horizontally or vertically, then again right click on your game preview and hover over on transform and just click on stretch to screen, and then you'll see your game is now in full screen. Now go ahead and stream or record your game in full screen mode.